When I was forging the other day, the worm gear broke on my big blower, and so my forge is kind of completely useless. So I've got this $200 mini forge that I got on Amazon, and I don't know if it's going to work, but I'm going to try it. I'm going to see if I can do some Damascus steel with it. I'm going to start with some charcoal. Alright, now I'm going to add some coal on top. Alright, I'm going to drop my billet in. It's 10 layers of 1084 and 15 and 20. That's a small billet too, but it's not fitting in there very well. We'll see what happens. So this is working, but man, it's annoying. Alright, there we go. It looks pretty solid, honestly. There might be a little bit of a delam there. The cutting edge looks great, though. I don't see any delams or anything. So the tricky part is going to be trying to heat treat with this thing, because the blade is as long as the fire pit. So I think what I'm going to do is actually put it upside down for a little while first, kind of rock it back and forth, and then I'll flip it over and get the cutting edge up actually a little bit warmer than the back end, so it'll be a differential heat treat, and then I'll take it over to the oil. So let's see how it goes. It's grabbing a little bit, but not bad. So it's probably right around a Rockwell 60. And the 65 is biting in pretty hard, so somewhere between 60 and 65. I'll take that. So in summary, does it work? Yes, absolutely. Do I recommend it? Well, not really. I mean, if that's the only thing you have or all you can afford, then it will work just fine. Probably only for smaller knives, though.